Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video it's gonna be something different. I know I always post makeup stuff, but as you guys know, I also love fashion stuff, especially bags, and the one I'm gonna be talking about today is my GUCCI Marmont Matte Lace bag. It's gonna be about 2 years already since I had it, so I'm gonna give a update, a review, and also what's in my bag. So if you want to check it out, please keep watching. So first things first, again, not so sure the exact date that I purchased this, but for sure it's been more than a year. I do have a review or first impressions unboxing video, and I will link it down below. But for now, I'm going to be focusing on what's in my bag and also the update, because this bag has been with me and traveled me everywhere I go. The first thing that I love about this bag is that you can take it basically anywhere. It's hands-free, which I appreciate, because you know, all moms out there, it's the least thing you want to think about, holding another bag if you're holding a kid as well. So I love how it's so versatile. You can take it from day to night. I love the color. So as you can see, the shape is still good. I normally don't fill it up, but lately I've been filling it up to the max. So let us go ahead and open. So if you can see, it is fully packed, and I will be sharing you what's inside. So the first thing is my hand sanitizer. I cannot live without my hand sanitizer. Next is a small leather gold wallet, which is also from GUCCI and the same material but in red. So I do have my driver's license, health card, a little bit of cash, and my debit and my Visa card. Then I have my also heavy Coach coin purse that is like super full. Now this one, I don't normally bring it, but since we needed to go somewhere that had to do with parking, I had to. And then lastly, this one right here, which is the Louis Vuitton mini pochette bag, which is like my carry all, and I put stuff in here that's like loose. So I have my lip liner, my lipstick at the moment, my lip balm, another lipstick, a mirror, and then different what do you call this, different cards. Like I have my Sephora card, a lot of gift cards right here, and then my son's membership card at this play place. Again, a lot of gift cards, my Mac Pro card, again a Starbucks gift card, Costco, and then my oil blotting sheets. So that is what's inside this bag. Also, again, another lip liner and my Bluetooth remote whenever I take pictures by myself with my phone, and then a couple of random pins and a tie. Okay, so now I know you guys are questioning, why don't you just put everything together, like for example coins and a bigger wallet together? The reason being is because when it comes to switching bags, or let's say I'm just gonna go to the gym, all I basically need is this. So I just grab this and then I go, rather than having a big bulky wallet. And I love the fact that everything fits inside here. As you can see, it has a ton of room. I can actually fit my phone inside. Oh, here's my phone. If I could put it all back together, they would fit. And I love that because, again, I can hold everything in one small bag. One of the things that, again, I like about this one is that I love how it's so easy to travel with this. There is so much that I can go on, and I want to talk about how amazing this bag is. I love the leather of this, to be honest, because again, it does not transfer. In the beginning, I was like, oh my goodness, this will color transfer a lot, but I'm telling you, I've traveled wore black pants, denim. I am not careful with this bag. I've been through everywhere with this bag. I traveled with it. I traveled to the Philippines, went to the beaches, went to ATVing with it. It's crazy. And when you clean it, all you need is a damp cloth and just wipe the stuff. Honestly, I thought I was gonna get color transfer, but not at all. I love the shape of this. It's just a perfect size. I remember, again, I was debating whether to get the small or this size, and this one was so cute, and it honestly fits a lot. The shape is maintained. Again, don't fill it up too much, but yeah. And then the inside is still clean. I'm not too careful with it, but yeah, nothing really bad to say about this. The straps are good still. There's minimal creasing over here, but it's because it's my fault. I've been like pressing and doing this, but honestly, I love the leather of this. Love, love, love. It's so durable. It's so sturdy. I love how it's casual, and then you can also dress it up. And yeah, so I know it's just a quick video. I just wanted to show you what's inside my bag and also what fits. And a update, I have no regrets in getting this bag. I love it. Suits my lifestyle, suits the aesthetic and my everyday life. So yeah, and that is it for this video for today. I know it's super short, but again, I just wanted to show you the stuff. If you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite bag at the moment is, because for me it is this one. I love this bag so much. And don't forget, no matter what today brings, always find joy. Up until the next one, bye.